the remaining two exercises from the fractions we'll understand now. So comparing like fractions. Comparing and ordering is the topic we are going to see now. Comparing and ordering first. So comparing means which one is bigger, which fraction is bigger one and which fraction is lesser one. How can we decide? For example, here different cases. Like fractions are there, unlike fractions. Like fractions means all the denominators are same. So we can easily compare numerator with numerator. So if numerator is bigger, then that fraction is bigger. That is very simple to compare like this. Here 3 by 9, 5 by 9. Absolutely we can say that 5 by 9 is greater than, because all the denominators are same. So according to the numerator, it is easy to understand, easy to compare and easy to order like this. So this is ordering, less than symbol we are using here. So this is ordering, and comparing means which one is big and which one is small. To identify, that one is comparing. And comparing unlike fractions, if for example the denominators are different. So the same numerator and the denominators are different one case, and numerators also different one case. Numerators and denominators both are different, that is different case. For example, unlike fractions with different denominators, that means different denominators with same numerator, like that 1 by 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 10, like this. So here coming to the same, it is also very easy. But here in the denominator, the number is less means the fraction will be greater. So it will decrease as Nana. Divisor will increase means it will decrease as the value of that fraction. If the denominator will small, then the fraction will be bigger one. If the denominator more, then the fraction is less. Like that. Just exactly reverse to this. Here less than came. For bigger number, big. In the numerator, big number. So in the case of same numerator and different denominators, at that time small number will be big. Why? Because in the denominator larger value means we are dividing into big parts. The value will be always less only. If we are dividing a big number with big number, the value will be less only. If we are dividing small number with small number, big number with small number, that value will be increased. Like that, here 1 by 2 is bigger than 1 by 6. Like that. And unlike fractions with different numerators, numerators also different, denominators also different. So at that time we already studied this concept, cross multiplication we need to do. If we want to compare two fractions, we need to cross multiply like this. A by B, C by D, we want to compare. So at that time we need to cross multiply like this. So here AD, BC. If AD is greater than BC, then the first fraction is greater. AD greater than BC, then the first fraction among that A by B is greater than C by D. If AD is less than BC, AD is less than BC, at that time second fraction is greater. Second fraction C by D is greater. So this you should remember. And if both are same, the two fractions same. This concept we have, this point we have understood yesterday only. Yes. And one more point also I told you, proper fractions always less than 1. And improper are greater than or equal to 1. Proper are always less than 1. So that we have discussed 1 by 7. That is a proper fraction. Yes, this is between 0 and 1. And 2 by 9. These all are proper fractions. These are less than 0. Sorry, less than 1. Between 0 and 1, like that. So proper fractions always less than 1 and improper fractions greater than or equal to 1. Here this one you should remember, Nana, both numerator are different and denominator also different. Both numerator and denominators are different. At that time we need to compare like this by cross multiplying. If AD greater than BC, A by B is greater than C by D. We can conclude. If AD less than BC, A by B less than C by D. Like that we can conclude. If both are same, AD is equals to BC, then A by B is equals to C by D. Both the fraction, equivalent fraction condition, this one. We can conclude with this condition, those two are equivalent fractions, like that. And addition and subtraction of fractions. How can we add How can we add? Sum of are different. Some are different. How can we add and how can we subtract? For example, if both the denominators are same, like fractions, easy to add. Commonly we can write like this: 4 by 11 plus 3 by 11. Both the denominators are same. Take that common denominator and 4 plus 3 we can add directly. Two numerators we can add. So this is one method and one type. For example, if some are difference of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means different denominators. So at that time we need to take the denominators LCM. LCM of the denominators we need to consider. 4, 6, 8 are the denominators here. So take 4, 6 and 8. So with two tables these three are divisible. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. And next 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 is not divisible. As it is you should write. And 2 2s are 4 you should write. So these all are prime numbers except 1. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24. 24 is the LCM of all the denominators 4, 6 and 8. LCM of 4, 6 and 8 is 24. So we need to make all the denominators as 24. So for that 4 should be multiplied with 6 because we need to get 24. 24 ravalante how much we need to multiply? 6 we need to multiply. So like that 6 by 6 we can. Why we need to 6 by 6? If denominator and numerator with the same number we can multiply, there is no change. So like that here 6 means 6 4s are 24. That's why 4 by 4 I am multiplying. 8 3s are 24. That's why 3 by 3 I am multiplying. Here these numbers should be according to we need to make that one as 24. So ఇలా తీసుకోవడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది లీస్ట్ కామన్ మల్టిపుల్ లీస్ట్ కామన్ మల్టిపుల్ ఫర్ ఆల్ దీస్ త్రీ సో ఈ 24 అనేది ఈ త్రీ నెంబర్స్ కి మల్టిపుల్ అవుతుంది దట్స్ వై వీ కెన్ మల్టిప్లై విత్ సమ్ నెంబర్ టు గెట్ దట్ వన్ వీ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు మల్టిప్లై విత్ సమ్ నెంబర్ టు గెట్ దిస్ వన్ ఎల్సిఎం అంటే అదే లీస్ట్ కామన్ మల్టిపుల్ ఫర్ దీస్ త్రీ సో దట్స్ వై ఇది 6 టైమ్స్ ఇది 4 టైమ్స్ ఇది 3 టైమ్స్ కదా సో దట్స్ వై ఇయర్ 4 by 4 we should 6 by 6 we should multiply. Here 4 by 4 we should multiply. Here 3 by 3 we should multiply like that. So if we do like that, all are like fractions. All will become like fractions like this. 3 6 are 18. 18 by 24. 5 4s are 20. 20 by 24. And 7 3s are 21. 21 by 8 3s are 24. All the denominators same. So we can commonly add like this. Commonly we can take 24 and the numerators we can add directly. 18 plus 20 plus 21. So 59 by 24. So this is numerator higher than denominator. So improper fraction. We can make this one as mixed fraction like this. What you done yesterday? You done like this problems yesterday only. So like this we can make. So for this shortcut method is also there. Shortcut method. How can we? Like this only they will give. So at that time we know. Already we have found the LCM. We already found this. So at 24. LCM is the 24. Take that LCM here. So directly take that LCM. And here compare the denominator. So just observe the denominator 4 here. How much we need to multiply to get to 24? 6 times. Yes? 4 into 6 we can get 24. So 6 you should multiply in the numerator like this. 3 into 6. This is the shortcut method. Always we will not do like this. ఇలా ఎప్పుడు చేయం నాన్న ఇది మీకు బేసిక్ ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ అయింది కదా దట్స్ వై దిస్ మెథడ్ యూ షుడ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ సో దీనికి షార్ట్ కట్ దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ హౌ కెన్ వి డూ directly we need to first find out the LCM 24 and write down that 24 here. Just observe here 4 here 24 here. How many times? 4 6 are 24 we will get. So 6 we need to multiply to the numerator of this 4. So 3 into 6 plus here how many times 6 multiply by to get the 24. How many times we need to multiply with 6? 4 times. Yes 6 4s are 24. So 4 we need to multiply the numerator of these 6. So 5 4s are we need to take plus Here 8. 8 3s are 24. So 3 we should multiply with the numerator like this. Can you able to do like this another problems? So here 3 6 are 18, 5 4 are 20, 7 3 are 21 by 24. Add all of this, same we will get like that only, we will get 211 by 24 again. So this is the shortcut method, or else if you are not getting this one properly, తొందరగా ఇది ఐడియా రాలేదనుకోండి, like this you should do. This only na, same this only, but directly here we are writing 24. And here 3 into 6 once we are taking, 5 into 4 we are taking, 7 into 3. Shortcut method, that's it. Yes, shortcut. So this is blind doing. Blindly we need no logical sense. Here mana mind calculator laga logic use chestundi here. So that you should do. You should understand. So next some exercise problems. Only few problems I selected here. Nana. So arrange the following sets of fractions in ascending order. Arrange the following sets of fractions in ascending order. Ascending means small to big. Yes? Yes. Here some problems I selected. I wrote all problems from that bit. Only that bit. Only few bits I selected. Whatever you needed. Already you have finished this in school. That's why I selected only few from that. So here ascending order we need to arrange. So first I told you na the topic, how to compare and how to ordering. Yes. So 9 by 13, these all are like fractions or unlike fractions. This first bit, all are like fractions only. Yes, we can easily arrange from small to big. Which one is small among? Just numerator you take on. Which one? 4 by 13 less than less than less than 7 by 13, less than 9 by 13, less than 10 by 13. So that is the answer for that. And the next one is second bit. So second bit we can take, is this like fraction or not? No, it is not like fraction. So just first compare here 9 nana. Just compare first one. Among these two we are comparing. Which one is bigger? We can compare these two. Okay, 5 by 6, 4 by 9. Cross multiply you can do. 5 9s are 45 and 6 4s are 24. So this, and that means AD is bigger than BC. Yes. So that's why which one is bigger among these two? 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is greater. Yes. Greater 4 by 9. So it's over. And first we can compare another two. These two first I compared. Next these two we will compare. 5 by 6, 1 by 4. Just do the cross multiplication. 5 4s are 20. 6 1. 6. Which one is bigger among these two? This one. Again, AD is bigger than BC. Yes, AD is bigger than BC. So, therefore, 5 by 6 is greater than 1 by 4. So, among these two, which one is bigger? 5 by 6 is larger than all. So, among these two also we need to compare. Among these two also first we need to compare. So, Mari 5 by 6 bigger one gada. So, among these two, which one is bigger? That also we should find. Which one is comes here and which one is comes next one. So, for that purpose, first we need to compare that two also. So, 4 by 9, 1 by 4. Just do the cross multiplication. 6. Yes, 9 ones are 9. 16 is bigger. So, 4 by 9 is greater than 1 by 4. So, therefore, ascending order of these two, these all is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is less than, 4 by 9 is less than 5 by 6. Okay, na? So, like that we can conclude. Is it able to, are you able to do the problems like this? Yes, only in the case of unlike fractions with different numerators, only somewhat critical. The remaining all are, you can easily compare like this. Like fractions you can easily compare, and unlike fractions with same numerator you can easily compare. Only in the case of unlike fractions with different numerators, we need to do all these checking. Yes, AD greater than BC or AD less than BC. or AD is equals to BC, that you should compare for the unlike fractions with different numerators. So like that. And the third one we can do. Third problem, 5 by 6, 3 by 8, 7 by 16. For this also we need to do all the checking. So among these two, first we need to compare. 5 by 6 cross multiply 3 by 8. So 5 8s are 40 and 6 3s are 18. Which one is bigger? This one is bigger. 40 is bigger. So AD is bigger than BC. So therefore 5 by 6 is greater than 3 by 8. Okay, next one we can compare these two. These two we can compare. 3 by 8, 7 by 16. Cross multiply. 6 3s are 48. 7 8s are 56. Which one is bigger among these two? 56 is bigger. So therefore 7 by 6 is greater than 3 by 8. Okay. So among these three, yes, 16. 16 only, na? Yes. 7 by 16 is greater than 3 by 8. Okay. Very good. Good observation. 7 by 16 is greater than 3 by 8. So among these, again we need to compare both of these, because here this is smaller than this and this, and among these two which one is bigger also we need to find out. Yes, 5 by 6 and 7 by 16, just cross multiply. Among these two I am comparing. Okay, and 16 5s are 80. Yes, and 7 6 are 48. 7 6 are 42, not 48. Yes, 6 7s are 42. Which one is bigger? This. So that means 5 by 6 greater than 7 by 16. So this one is greater than 7 by 16. And this one we got. And one more thing we need to compare, 7 by 16 and 11 by 40, 11 by 24. So among these two, cross multiply. So 24 into 7. 24 7s are 7 4s are 28. 7 2s are 14 plus 2. 16, 168. Yes, 168. And 16 11s are 16 11s are 11 6 are 66. 11 1s are 11 plus 6 17. 176 are 166. 176. Okay, which one is bigger? 176 is bigger. So 7 by 16 is less than 11 by 24. So 11 by 24, 7 by 16 is less than 11 by 24. 11 by 24 is bigger, Nana. And here 11 by 24 is bigger than this, and here also bigger than this. So first we need to compare both of these. Both of these. So 5 by 6 and 11 by 24. Among those two, which one is bigger? We need to conclude. So here 5 by 24. 5 into 24. So 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10, 12, 120. 24 5s are 120. And 16 11s are 16, 11 6 are 66. Oh, so 5 by 6 is bigger, Nana. 5 by 6 is greater than 11 by 24. So all you concluded. Among these, which one is smaller, Nana? Which one is smaller? 3 by 8 is smaller. Yes? Smaller one is 3 by 8. Less than 7 by 16. 7 by 16 is less than 7 by 16. 11 by 16 is less than 7 by 16 is less than 11 by 24. 11 by 24 is less than 5 by 6. Among all this, which one is bigger? 5 by 6 is bigger. 3 by 8 is very smaller. Then second smaller is 7 by 16. Then 11 by 24. Then 5 by 6. This is ascending order we got. Yes. So like this we can do comparison. In different steps we can do. And this one 3 by 5, 7 by 15, 9 by 20, 3 by 10. So among these two we can compare first. 7 by 15. So just to do the cross multiplication, 15 3s are 45, 7 5s are 35. Which one is bigger? 45 is bigger. So AD is bigger than BC. So 3 by 5 is greater than 7 by 15. And among 7 by 15 and 9 by 20. Which one is bigger? First we need to compare. 7 to 20 into 7, 140. 15 nines are 135. So 140 is bigger. So 7 by 15 is bigger than 9 by 20. So automatically we can say 7 by 15 is bigger than 9 by 20 means 3 by 5 is greater than automatically greater than 9 by 20 also. This one is smaller, this one is somewhat bigger, and this one is more bigger. Yes. So we can conclude. No need to compare here like this. Previous laga ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ compare చేయడానికి లేదు మనకి. Yes. Here we got this one is bigger. So that's why we compared. And next one 9 by 20 and 3 by 10 we need to compare. So 9 tens are 90. 23s are 60. Which one is bigger? 90 is bigger. So 9 by 20 is bigger than 3 by 10. So we got clearly na order we got clearly in this man. Less than 9 by 20, less than 7 by 15, less than 3 by 5. You got this clear? Yes. Say, what happened? 3 by 5 is bigger than all. Yes, very good. That only I wrote. Less than symbol I wrote. 3 by 5 is greater than. Less than means ascending order, Nana. Okay, na? Don't get confused. I already told you. Less than ఇది చదివేటప్పుడు greater than means this one. Don't get confused. Okay na? Confuse అవుతున్నావా? So this is less than, this is greater than, and the open mouth side bigger. Okay na? Open mouth unte at side bigger. If like this we can keep means open mouth here will comes. So the number present here side open side that one is bigger. Don't get confused. Okay na? This one is ascending order, small to big. This one is bigger, this one is small. Okay now? Yes. And here we can also compare like this, Nana. 3 and 10. 3 and 3. Among these three, which one is bigger? The denominator is smaller means this one is bigger. Yes. These are unlike fractions with same numerator, these two. From here also we can conclude this one is bigger, this one is smaller. But we need to compare for these unlike fractions with different numerators. For that purpose, I selected this manner. Okay, is it clear only? So arranging of the numbers in ascending order we have finished. Next one is arrange the following in descending order. Oh, question I didn't copy it. Okay, descending order I didn't copy it, Nana. Like this only you can do. Yes, like this only we can do. So same numbers in descending order means how can we arrange? Descending order means greater than symbol we need to use. Greater than symbol. So from higher to lower like this. Descending order I am writing. See. Descending order. So descending order for above. This is ascending order. And descending order you can say 3 by 5 greater than 7 by 15 greater than big to small. Yes. Big to small. Descending means big to small. And 9 by 20 greater than 3 by 10. Like this we can write. Okay. Like this we can write. This is the descending order for the same. So next with this, like this comparison only, we need to write the order like this, big to small. Descending order means big to small. Here also descending order we can write. This is ascending order. Yes. This is ascending order. We can write descending order for this also. Descending order, how it will comes? 5 by 6 greater than 11 by 24 greater than 7 by 16 greater than 3 by 8. This is descending order. So like that we can write. Here also this is ascending. Yes, this is ascending. We can write descending also. Descending say descending order for this. So 5 by 6 is less than greater than 4 by 9 is greater than 1 by 4. So L, how it will L shape. L like this this side. So ఈ సైడ్ ఉండేది less than అవుతుంది. Don't get confused. Okay na? Opposite side లో ఉండేది greater than అవుతుంది. So you should read like this. Sometimes you will get confusion. Lot of people will get confused like that only. So next one is yes, addition of next topic we have discussed here. First comparison and ordering we have finished now 2 bits. Next one is addition and subtraction of fractions we will do now. Addition and subtraction of fractions. This is all comparison and ordering comes to the exercise B. And addition and subtraction with LCM. So that are like fractions. How can we? It is very easy. Like fractions adding is very easy. These all are like fractions only. These all are. So it is very easy. You can do this. First one only I'll tell. Afterwards you will do. So same denominator means commonly we can write and add the numerators. 2 by 3. Daddy jappu. 2 by 3. So like this we can do. You can do all this. Okay na? All the denominators are same. Just you need to add numerator. So this is the solution. So you can do like this all. And next, these subtraction with same denominator. These also same, Nana. So very easy to do. Yes. Denominator commonly you can write 3 minus 2. Just numerators you need to subtract and add in the place of addition. And for coming to the subtraction you need to do subtraction. Only numerator part 1 by 5 will get. So these all you can do. Yes, year onwards. Up to year same with same denominator. Here with different denominator. I copied wrong or else. So we'll do this one. Okay na? This one is different with different denominators and different numerators. So for this we need to take LCM. So LCM of 17 and 12. So 17 and 12 no common factors. Yes, no common factors. So because 17 is prime number, so we need to multiply both of these. So that is the LCM. So 12 sevens are how much? 84. 12 ones are 12 plus 8 20. Okay, 12 ones are 12 plus 8 20. So 204 is the LCM here. And how many times? The 8. 17 how many times? 12 times. Yes, 12 we need to multiply here in the numerator. Shortcut method I am using. Okay, 5 into 17 we should multiply here. So like that we can do. I think here 17 only in the textbook, but here 12 I wrote. That's why I am doing like this. 17 ఉండొచ్చు నా textbook లో నేను wrong copy చేశాను, but ఇలా ఉన్నా కూడా ఎలా చేయాలో నీకు తెలియాలి కదా. That's why I am telling. Okay. So 204. So 18. 12 8s are yes 96 minus 50. 17 5s are 85. Okay. 85 nana. 17 5s are 85. 16 5s are 80. 17 5s are 85. So just do the subtraction. 11 we'll get. 11 by 204 is the answer. So like that for unlike fractions with different numerator and different denominator. Unlike means different denominator. Numerator is also different means we need to take LCM. If there are no common factors, we just do the multiplication of both. Then that is the LCM. Here 17 we have already. So 17 how many times how many times to multiply with some number to get 204? That is 12. 12 you should multiply to this. And 17 you should multiply here. 17 already here, 12 already here. So 12 you should multiply here and 17 you should multiply here like this. Okay, this is same Nana. 35 is the common and 26 minus 12 is equals to how much? 14. Yes, 14 by 35. So we can simplify this one to simpler form. 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35. 2 by 5 is the answer here. Okay, you can do like that. Simplification also you can do. So next one here 4, 3, 4, 6. So all are, this is unlike fraction. Unlike fractions. Yes, all these are unlike fractions. So we need to take the LCM of denominators. So 3 table with these 2. So take 3 table here. 3 ones are 4 as it is you write because it is not divisible by 3. And 3 2s are 6. It's enough. Because enough or else with 2 table we can do. With 2 table we can do. These 2 are divisible by 2 table. So 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 ones are. It's enough because all are except 1 all are prime numbers. So 3 into 2 is the once you can leave. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12. 12 is the LCM here. So that LCM you should take in a shortcut method I am using. That LCM here you should take like this. So how many times 3 is divisible by 12? 4 times. Yes. 4 we need to multiply to get 12 to 3. 3 4s are 12. So 4 we should multiply in the numerator part like this of this. Okay na? Why I should multiply with 4? 3 divisible by 12 with 4 or else 3 should multiply 4 to get 12. Yes, 3 should multiply, 3 have to be multiply with 4 to get 12. So ఎంతతో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 12 వస్తుందో దాన్ని న్యూమరేటర్ లో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ప్లస్ 4 we need to get 12 means we need to multiply with 3 to 4. Yes, 4 3s are 12. So 3 we should multiply in the numerator part. 3 into 3 plus 6 here we have. To get 12 we need to multiply 6 with 2. Yes, that 2 you should take in the numerator part. 5 into 2. Okay. So shortcut method. 4 into 1 4 plus 3 into 3 9 plus 5 2s are 10 by 12. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేవి మీరు ఈ చైల్డ్హుడ్ లో ఇప్పుడు 6th క్లాస్ కదా నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు సరిగ్గా నేర్చుకున్న వాళ్ళే పెద్ద అయిన తర్వాత బాగా చేస్తారు. 9th 10th వాళ్ళు కూడా చేయలేకపోతున్నారు ఇవి బికాస్ దే డిడెంట్ లెర్న్ ప్రాపర్లీ ఎట్ దట్ టైం. సో చైల్డ్హుడ్ లో 6th 7th క్లాసుల్లో ఇవి సరిగ్గా నేర్చుకొని వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు చేయలేకపోతున్నారు పిల్లలు. సో 10 plus 4 14 14 plus 9 25. Yes, 25 by 12. 14 plus 9. How much Nana? 14 plus 9 23 only. Yes, 23. 13 kada? 4 plus 9 13 plus 10 23. 23 by 12 is the answer. So like that. Here do the 3 4s are 12. No need to take no common factors. So direct 12 you should take as LCM. So here we should multiply 3 with 4. So 1 into 4 plus 1 into 3. Yes. So more problems we will do like this because you should be perfect in this. Ippude perfect అయిపోవాలి నువ్వు. Okay. చేసి చేసి perfect అయిపోవాలి. More problems we will do on this. So 4 plus 3 7 by 12. So can you do these two? 8 comma 12 LCM. Can you do? Daddy chep. So with 2 table I am doing 2 4s are 8 and 2 6s are. Next to again 2 table 2 2s are 2 3s are. It's enough. All prime numbers we got. So 2 into 2 into 2. So 4 to the 8 8 3s are 24. Here 24 is the LCM. So to get 24 8 with 3 we need to multiply. Yes. To get 24 with what number we need to multiply to 8? To get 24. 8 3s are 24. Yes. So 3 into 3 we should take. That 3 you should multiply in the numerator part. Plus here 7 into 12 2s are 24. Yes, we need to multiply with 2 to get 24 to 12. 12 to 24 we need to get. So with multiply with 2 we need to do. So 2. Okay na? So 9 plus 14 by కొంచెం స్లోగా ఎక్కువ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయి. Then you will get clearly. So here what is the answer? 23 again. 23 by 24 only will get. Here 14 plus 9 23 by 24 is the answer. So like that we'll do. So if improper fraction will get means we can make that one as mixed fraction also here. Mixed fraction kuda cheyochu dini. Again division method lo. Okay na? So this one also we can do now. Cheddam more problems we'll do. Then I will give new problems to homework. 12 comma 16. With 2 table we can do 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16. And next again with 2 table 2 3s are 2 4s are. Yes. And again with 2 table 3 2. So all should be prime numbers except ones వస్తే వదిలేయాలి or else all should be prime numbers ఉండాలి. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Yes, 24 2s are 48. Here LCM is 48. So for this least common multiple అంటే ఈ రెండిటి మల్టిపుల్స్ లో లీస్ట్ వన్ 48 అన్నమాట. LCM అంటే ఏంటి? లీస్ట్ కామన్ మల్టిపుల్ ఫర్ దీస్ టూ. That means 12 4s are 28 kada, 48, yes, and 16 4s are 48. 12 4s are 48, 16 3s are 48 nana, 16 3s are 48, 12 4s are 48. So among that two least common multiple ide kada, ఆ రెండిటికి కలిపి కామన్ గా వచ్చే మల్టిపుల్ ఇదే లీస్ట్ వన్. వాటిలో లీస్ట్ వన్ చిన్నది. రెండిటికి కామన్ మల్టిపుల్స్ చాలా ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు 120 ఉన్నది, లైక్ దట్ అనదర్ నెంబర్ ఆల్సో విల్ కమ్ లైక్ దట్, బట్ చిన్నది ఏది అందులో కామన్ గా వచ్చే వాటిలో చిన్నది ఇది అనమాట, లైక్ దట్. ఓకే, సో we can do like this. So 12 means with how many times? 12 4s are 48, 12 4s are, so we need to multiply that 4 in the numerator. Don't get confused, okay na, ikkada problem em ledhu kada. How many times we need to multiply to get this? That many times we need to multiply with numerator. దీన్ని ఎన్నిసార్లు మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఇది వస్తుంది? 4 times. సో ఆ 4 we need to multiply here. So here 16 how many times? 3 times. That 3, 16 3 is a 48, okay? That 3 you should multiply in numerator. Here only you should concentrate. ఏంటో టఫ్ ఉందని వదిలేస్తే తర్వాతకి అర్థం కాదు. Here only you should concentrate and understand, and your mind will be sharp at that time. So 5 4s are 20, 7 3s are 21. So కొంచెం టఫ్ గా అనిపించినా more number of problems you will do on this, then you will get. So 41 by 48 is the answer. Like this you can do. So here also for 8, 12 and 6 we need to find the LCM, least common multiple of these three. So for these three also I think that 48 only will come, or 48 only. 36 will not the multiple of 8, but 36 will be multiple of these two, but will not for this. So 48 is the first one. So 48 will comes, just check. 2 4s are direct చెప్పలేవు కదా నువ్వు, you should do like this. 2 6s are and 2 3s are 6. Next one with 3 table I am taking. 4 2 1. Next with 2 table we can do 2 1 1. So 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Yes, 24 will come, 48 kaadu, 24 will come. Why? Because 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 6 2s are 6 4s are 24. For all this 24 is common. So we got here 24. So how many times we need to multiply 8 to get to 24? 3 times. Yes, 8 3s are 24. That 3 you should multiply here. 1 into 3 plus 12 2s are 24. So we need to multiply 12 with 2. So that 2 you should multiply with 5. 5 into 2 plus 6 4s are 24. So 5 4s are we need to do. 6 4s are 24. That 4 should be multiplied in the numerator like this. So 3 5 2s are 10. 3 plus 10 plus 20. 5 4s are 20 by 24. How much we'll get? 33. Yes, 20 plus 10 30 plus 3. 33 by 24 is the answer. 33 by 24. We can write this one as mixed fraction, Nana. 33 in the middle you take as dividend and 24 as the divisor. So 24 ones are 24. 13 minus 4 9. Yes, 9 is the remainder. So 9 is the remainder. So we can write this one as 1 9 by 24. Yesterday you done like problems like this. Quotient plus remainder by divisor. Yes, you done the problems like this yesterday only. Like this you can do. And subtractions with different denominators are this, Nana. Subtractions with different denominators. So here 3 comma 6. What is the LCM? 3 ones are 3 2s are. So 3 2s are 6. 6 is the LCM. So 3 multiply with 2 to get 6. So 1 into 2 we need to take, and 6 ones are 6. So 1 into 1 we need to do. Why? One time only 6 only, same only. So 1 you should multiply in the numerator part. So 1 2s are 2 minus 1 ones are 1 by 6 is equals to 1 by 6 is the answer. Okay, 1 by 6 is the answer. So next among 8 and 4 what is the LCM? 8 is the LCM, Nana. ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు పెద్దది LCM అవుతుంది. 4 to the 8 కదా. So 2 4s are 2 2s are. Next 2 2s are 2 1s are. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is the LCM. So 8 with one time only we should multiply to get 8. So 7 into 1. Why should we take 1 here? One time only we need to multiply with 8 to get this 8 LCM. And 4. 2 times we need to multiply. So in the numerator part 2 times we need to multiply. Like this. 4 to the 8 means the numerator also 2. So 8. 7 minus 6 is equals to 1 by 8 we'll get. 7 minus 6. 1 by 8. So like that. So among 10 and 15 what is the LCM? Just check. 5. 30 is the LCM. For 30 is the LCM. See. 5 2s are 5 3s are. All are prime numbers. So 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. 30 is the LCM. Least common multiple for this. అన్నిట్లోకి చిన్నది ఏది 10 3s are 30 and 15 2s are 30 and 60 is also common multiple but least common కాదు 60 కూడా రెండిటికి మల్టిపులే కదా 10 6 are 16 and 15 how much, how many times 60 is 15 3s are 15 4s are 60 4 times ఇది 6 times but this is not least దీనికన్నా చిన్నది కూడా ఉంది కదా like previous we have a 48 I told but we got there 24 only. Least one we need to consider. All are so many multiples are there. Common multiples are so many but least from that we need to consider. Least from that. So ఈ two numbers ki least common multiple is 30. So like that we'll get here 30. So how many times 10 should be multiplied to get 30? 3 times. Yes, 10 3 is 30. That 3 you should multiply in the numerator part minus 2 into 15 with 2 times. Yes, 15 2s are 30. So 2 we need to multiply. 7 3s are 21 minus 2 2s are 4 by 30. So 21 minus 4 is 17. 17 by 30 is the answer. So like that. And this one you can do a 9 comma 7. No common fraction. No common multiples. No common factors also. So just multiply. 9 into 7 is equals to 63 is the LCM for these two. So here 63 and 5 into 7 you do and 3 into 9 we should do. Because 9 should be multiplied with 7 to get 63. And 7 should be multiplied with 9 to get 63. So here 9 you should multiply. Here 7 you should multiply. So do this, the remaining. 5 7s are 35 minus 9 3s are 27 by 63. So 8 will get a 8. 8 by 63 is the answer. Here how can we do, Nana? How can we do this? Here nothing is there means 1 you should consider. 1 you should, in the denominator 1 you should consider. 11 is the LCM here. Okay na? 1 comma 11. 11 is the LCM. So here we should multiply in the denominator part 1 into 11 minus 7 into 1. Okay? Is equals to 11 minus 7 by 11 is equals to 4 by 11. Here also like that, Nana. 1 you should take in the denominator. 8 comma 1 LCM is 8 and 2 into 8 because here 1 should multiply to get 8. 8 you should multiply in the denominator, in the numerator part. And 3 into here 8 you have a 1 you should multiply and 8 2 is a 16 minus 3 by 8. So like that 16 minus 3 by 8 is equals to 13 by 8 we'll get. So like this simplification also we have. So here 1 by 6 plus 3 by 8. So first we need to do this and the resultant answer subtract this. From that subtract this one. So first 8 comma 6. What is the LCM of 8 comma 6? 3. 2 table we can have. So 2 table. 2 4s are 2 3s are. Yes. So 2 2s are 3. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 6 4s are 24. 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the least common multiple for this. So here we should multiply with 6 4s are 24. So 4 you should. Okay na? And here 3 into how many times, Nana? 8 3s are 3 you should multiply here. Minus 1 by 4. So is equals to 4 plus 9 by 24. minus 1 by 4 is equals to 9 plus 4, 13 by 24 minus 1 by 4. So among 24 and 4, what is the LCM? 4 you should take here, 4 ones are 4 6 are. Yes. So 6. Next with 2 table we can take 2 3s are. So like that, leave it. So 4 6 are how much now? 24 is the LCM here. 24. So here 24, 24. 13 should be multiplied with 1 and 1 should be multiplied with how many times 4 multiplied to get 24? 6 times. So 13 minus 6 by 24 is equals to 13 minus 6 how much? 7 by 24 is the answer. Okay? Is it okay for you? To somewhat bigger, because first we need to do these two additions and then direct also we can do, Nana. For this direct also we can do. How? That one I will explain with this problem. Okay? Direct also we need to do. మొత్తం ఒకేసారి కూడా చేయొచ్చు. 3 by 5 so minus, I need to remove, I want to remove this bracket. So minus 1 by 6 minus into plus. Minus into plus minus. You know this? Yes. I will tell that also now. So find out the LCM of these. LCM of these. 5 comma 6 comma 18 you should take the LCM. So with 3 table I am doing 5 as it is, you write 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18, and again with 2 table we can do 5 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. It's enough. All our prime numbers we got. So 3 into 2 into 5 into 3. Okay, this is the least common multiple of these 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Yes, 6 5s are 30 and 33s are 90. 90 is the LCM here. So how many times we need to multiply with 5 to get 90? To get 90. 5 ones are 5 and 40. 18 fives are. Yes, 18 fives are 90, Nana. So 18 times we need to multiply numerator part. 18 times we need to multiply. And 6. 6 with how many times? 6 ones are 6, 6 fives are 15, 6 are 90. Yes. 15 6 are how much? 6 5s are 30, 90. So 15 times we need to multiply here. So minus 18 5s are, I told you now only 18 5s are 90. So 5 into 5 we should do. So that 18 3s are how much? 18 3s are 54. Yes. Minus 15 ones are 15 minus 15 5 5s are 25 by 90. Directly also we can do like this. Okay. 90. So here 54 minus 40. 54, these two are minus. Minus 15 minus 25 minus 40 will comes. Okay. So 14 by 90 is the answer. We can simplify by 2 table we can. 2 sevens are, 2 fours are, and 1 is the remainder, 2 fives are. What is the answer? 7 by 45 is the answer. Like that we can get. Okay. Like that we can do. And first, how can we do, Nana? Mixed fractions. How can we do? First, we need to make this as improper fractions. So, how can we make? 3 2s are 2 3s are 6 plus 1. Kada? ఈ రెండు multiply చేసి యాడ్ చేయాలి numerator లో. Say once. Say. Did you remember this one? 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 7 by 2 here we'll get. Plus here also. 8 7s are how much? 56. Tables you read once, okay na? 56. 8 7s are 56 plus 5, 61. ఈ 56 కి ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేసి this you should add for that. ఇదే దానికి యాడ్ చేయాలి. So 8 7s are 56 plus 5 61. Okay na? By 8. So like this we can convert first mixed fractions to improper. Now we can add. What is the LCM of these two? 8. 8 is the least common multiple among these two because 2 is the factor of 8. So 8 we can take directly. No need to do again here side. 8 is bigger and it is the multiple of 2. Kada? So 8 we need to take as LCM. How many times we need to multiply 2 to get 8? 4 times. Yes, 7 into 4. Plus How many times we need to multiply 8 with to get 8? One time only. So 61 into 1. So is equals to 28 plus 61 by 8. How much we'll get? 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. 89 by 8 will get. So like that. First we need to make those as improper fractions. So here say Nana, how can we get improper fraction? 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 5 4s are 20 plus 3. 23 kada? 23 by 5. This one you say Nana. You only say. Multiply this two and add this one. 10 twos are 10 to 20 plus 7. 27 by 10. Okay na? Easy only na? Can you convert like this? So among these through these two, afterwards you can do. And this one you convert once. 7 threes are 3 sevens are 21. 2 23. 23 by 3. Okay. Here 4 ones are 4 plus 1. 5. 5 by 4. Here you say 12 fours are 48. 48 plus 7. 55. 55 by 12 like that. So here also you say 10 threes are 30. 30 plus 7. 37 by 10. Okay. And then 100 nines are 900 plus 21. 921 by 100. Denominator you should write same only. But numerator lo em cheyali 2 multiply chesi add cheyali. 20 into 1 20 plus 3 23 by 20. So like that you can do. And the remaining part taking LCM and adding same. Okay. And here also 7 fives are 35 plus 3 38 by 7. Yes. And 7 twos are 14 plus 2 16 by 7. So like that. Here also 13 into 101. 101 into 13. Here you should do like this because big numbers. We cannot say directly. So 31 ones are 31 and 31 ones are 31. So 331 plus 11. 3131 plus 11 also we should do. 11 also. 2, 4, 1, 3. 3142 by 31 minus with same number Nana. 99 into 31 we should do. So 99, 3 sevens are 27, 27 plus 2, 29, 9, 16, 10. 3069 plus 10, 3079 by 31 we should do. Directly now it is became as like fraction. Yes. 31 denominator same means like fraction. So 3142 minus 3079. So we can subtract 142 minus 79. How much we'll get? 12 minus 9. 3. 3 minus 13 minus 7. 63 we'll get. So how much answer is 63 by 31 is the answer here. Okay. Directly also we can do. So understand calculation part, multiplications, all the tables you should read well. Then you can get easy idea. Okay. And here 23 into 8 we should do. 8 threes are 24. Here because we cannot say directly. Yes. For that we need to multiply. 8 threes are 24. 8 twos are 16 plus 2 18 plus 5 we should add 189. So 189 by 8 we should get. And here 16 6 are 96. So up to 20 tables you should read. Okay na? 16 6 are 96. 96 plus 5 101. Yes. 101. 96 plus 5 101 by 6. So here again we need to take LCM of 8 comma 6. What is the LCM of 8 comma 6? 2 table. 24. Yes. Already we done this. And with 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24 is the LCM. And here we should multiply with 8 multiply with how many times Nana? To get 24, 3 times. Here 8 undi kabatti paina 3 you should multiply. Here 6 means how many times to get 24? 4 times. So 4 you should multiply in the denominator, in the numerator part. So you can do all the remaining. Here 16 into 12. 16 into 12. 12 6 are 72. And 12 ones are 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7, 19. So 192 plus 15, 7, 10. So 207 by 16 minus 7 fours are 28 plus 3, 31 by 4. So here 16 is the LCM because 16 is the multiple of 4. So 207 into 1. Why? Because here 16, here 16. Into 1 we should do in the numerator part. And here 4 fours are 16. To get 16 we need to multiply 4 with 4. So we should multiply 4 in the numerator part. Like this, remaining you can do. So like this, tomorrow we'll see this bit. Okay, next class. Thank you. And